Hello everybody, today we're going to make bags out of t-shirts. Using a men's t-shirt, you want to open up the neck a bit, so this is a bit of a guide. Drop it down, 5 or so centimetres and scoop that around, and then also bring in the armhole, cut in about 2 or 3 centimetres from the armhole and drop it down a couple of centimetres from the underarm. You want it to look like a bit of a singlet. If you are using a singlet, you don't need to cut the armhole or the neck. For ladies, a lot of ladies' tees have a wider neck, so it just probably, all you might need to do is cut off the binding and cut the back the same shape as the front. So we're going to use the ladies today, so I'm just going to show you. First step is we're going to chop off the hem. We're going to use that to tie the bag. Turn your bag inside out. Cut that in half so you've got a big tie. And bunch that up. Tie your tie around the bottom. Tie nice and tightly. Don't matter if there's stitching cracks, that's just fine. Do give it another knot, a couple of knots to make sure that it's secure, and then cut that off, and then turn it back in the right way, and then you can cut off your armhole. What I do is I tend to fold them together, so I'm only cutting once, but children might do it twice because it might find the 2 layers a little bit thick. Cut around the armhole and just drop it a couple of centimetres just so that the handle of your bag is a little bit deeper. And then I'm going to cut the front and back to be the same. Now obviously over time and wearing it wasn't symmetrical. Tidy up if you don't want the binding on there. The students can go and use Sharpies and stencils and so forth to decorate their bag, and then they might like to use it as a library bag.